Hey guys, my name is CJ. Please subscribe to my channel, Gaming with Wolf CJ. I literally just went on one of the cars, and I literally was just in an infinity loop of getting so much XP on that car. Like, I was like on those cars that you usually boost yourself. Here, I have two team members. One is called wait, I gotta focus more. This is me, a frostbite. I used to be in here with the car. It was an infinite loop, and I was trying to shoot the bad guy. I was just laughing myself out. You can do it with anything. Like, you know those little booster cars? Those little booster scooters? You just gotta get into there into like Neil Tilted and do it with that. And then you'll just be in an infinite loop going around and around and around. If you do it with the cars, you get so much XP. And I mean so much if you do it with the booster car, like the booster on the back. You get so much XP from that. I guess, if you can get XP. But you'll get so much height. It's still glowing. Also, like, you know this little red rubber? That means subscribe and click. This is the bell. Click it, please. Click the bell icon. This is just a little glitch or hack or something like that. If you want to laugh yourself out so hard. But if you're having trouble, just bring a car and then just ride on it. I just got cute. Well, that's Gaming with Wolf CJ, everybody. Bye. Peace.